Hello. So I'm going to answer the questions for this week. Number one, if you have a student with a speech disorder in your classroom, what are some things you could do so they could participate in some activities? Some things you could plan or help that I thought of is you could do some spelling games or nonverbal writing games maybe so they could feel included and not have to feel insecure about their speech. So, what's some things you could do? Games focusing maybe on like one word at a time, like we used to do stations back when I was in school, when we would write our names in the spelling words in cursive, or we would write we'd do bingo with the games, spelling games and stuff like that. But even if they do want to work on their speech, maybe actually doing it out loud, maybe focusing on one letter at a time, one word at a time, so they don't have to feel like they're slurring or feel like they're not making any sense, if that makes any sense. Number two, the model, or what I picked, was the play-based model. So explain the gist, how it's used, why it's used, my thoughts. It's a psychotherapeutic approach primarily used to help children ages 3 to 12 to explore their lives and freely express and repress thoughts and emotions through play. How it's used is to why it's used is to help children learn to express themselves in healthier ways, and become more respectful and empathetic, and deliver new and more positive ways to solve problems. And the way it kind of goes about is like the therapist uses play and other creative activities to express feelings that are not expressed in words. So I remember learning about this in Inclusive, and even in activities, games, and drama for young children. This type of, I think, model is really interesting, and it's I think a very effective, fun way to assess a child. And I personally think it's going to get the child to do more, because it's something fun, it's something they actually want to do instead of just sitting down and taking a test or assessment. And then the last question, after reading the article, what is one aspect that stuck out to me and why? And of course, being the person I am, I picked the love me unconditionally, the last one. Because it's true, with parents and teachers, our own parents and teachers, they always give us, they're always supportive, they're always giving us second chances, they're always supporting us. It's just with those with autism, we have to be a little extra supportive and patient with them, and all we have to do is love them unconditionally. And that just, I don't know, it really stuck out to me, because of course I think of my parents, I failed them time and time again, yet they don't remember me for my mistakes, they don't hold it against me. So to love unconditionally is a very important aspect. And yeah, that's my answers for the questions for this week. Thank you.